I think that one over there you could actually jump.
Which
if you
one?
The one straight ahead, but coming this way. Yeah, where Andrew's right there. I think that's what he's gonna do. Just be careful on the downside.
Yeah.
Well, if you're not used to, you don't want to come flying over that and land flat. You want to kind of go up and then down the slope.
It's a little bit, the rock, the face is kind of iffy.
There goes Johnny.
Oh!
He's got to do it again to redeem himself. There he goes. Yeah, he was sideways and... Uh-oh.
We're coming up where we went down.
Andrew's gonna, he's got to get it now. Andrew, it's eating away at him. He's got to try to jump it now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because you can see the determination. There he goes. Nope.
No, I was just crawling up it. I can't jump that. I don't want to. Oh yeah, see that hump right there. Oh yeah.
Here comes Dylan. Oh!
Oh, a little heavy on the front. A little bit on the nose there, mate.
A little bit nose heavy.
Yeah. Well, what do you say we just go back on the trail and get down and get something to eat?
Well, we hurt ourselves. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we got to go that way.
His GPS will follow him back to the trail then, and they only serve till 3, so we got to be there by 3.
Oh, okay.
This way, Levi, left?
Yep, this is where we started.
Okay.
Well, that was fun. I'm glad we got to play around in there more. We got everybody?
Mm-hmm. Turn signal still on.
There's some stones, yeah.
Huh?
I thought you said there's some stones.
Your turn
like,
signal's still on.
Oh, yep. There's definitely stones.
Yeah, lots of them.
Whoa, he's going sideways. Sand. Ooh. thick in sand. Hooking right. 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 Okay, this is, I think, where, oh yeah. So we were so close to the end. That's where we were, right over there.
Yeah.
But it's hard to say. It's better to go back to where we know we were. Don't need to know where I'm going, only need to know where I've been. Left, then right.
Hopefully they see the dust trail, because I don't know where they're at.
Uh-oh. I remember this.
Yeah, I don't still see them.
Oh. Oh no.
I mean, there's arrows. Somebody must have went down. Nope, that's not them. You good? Okay. I almost went through that.
Yeah.
All right. That should be everybody, right?
Oh, they were not ours.
Well, here, that guy is.
That's the only one. He's the only one. The other two are not ours.
Oh. Huh. Wonder where they are.
No, none of them were chaps.
Woohoo! That was fun. I mean, there's arrows, and he's got a map.
Oh, they got Rolodex, so I guess
yeah.
if we... There's some dust up here.
Yeah, the first two wasn't, but that other guy is...
Yeah, the third guy is that other dude.
Yeah.
Husky boy.
They told me his name, but I don't remember it.
Yeah. Dingus, I think his name was. I think... Oh, you're new people.
We're not doing good.
Very good.
There's not enough rocks out here.
They didn't tell us there'd be rocks out here. Yeah, those aren't ours.
Did that other guy go through? Did you see another guy? Did he go through? I wonder where he went.